Hey guys, we just broke 1 million followers on Instagram. Thank you to our fans, thank you to our clients, and especially thank you to our Hennessey Performance and Tuner School teams. Our company's really growing. We're getting ready to add on another 15,000 square feet to our facility here just west of Sealy, Texas. We'll have a total of 50,000 square feet where with the new space, we'll be able to produce our Venom F5, which is coming soon. And we've still got 142 acres here at our racetrack, so we've got room for more space as we grow. So thank you for helping us get there, and looking forward to doing a lot more cool stuff soon. Thanks.